Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by making sure Steam is already installed and fully updated. This avoids permission or compatibility hiccups. Next, open Steam and install Wallpaper Engine or the Steam Wallpaper app. Choose the app you prefer and hit install. While that downloads, update your GPU drivers and switch Windows out of tablet mode so full desktop features work. Once download finishes, launch the Wallpaper app and grant any permission prompts. This initial setup gets the core software ready for the live wallpaper process. Once the app is open, pick a live wallpaper from the Steam Workshop or import your own video/HTML file. Subscribing saves it to your library automatically. After selecting, click Open in Wallpaper Engine to load the asset into the editor. Now configure resolution scaling, performance mode, balanced or low CPU, and audio reactive options if the wallpaper supports them. Make sure the target monitor is selected and test playback. This step tunes visuals versus resource use, so your wallpaper looks great without harming performance. Apply the wallpaper to your desktop or to a specific monitor and save the profile so settings persist. If you want it every session, enable Start with Windows in the app preferences. This ensures the wallpaper loads automatically. If the wallpaper doesn't show, check that Wallpaper Engine has display permissions, that Steam overlay or other overlays aren't blocking it, and confirm the app isn't paused when a full-screen game runs. If problems persist, restart Steam and the app. Most conflicts clear on a relaunch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.